You have problems to find out how long your functions are running? Yes, me too. But there's a solution. I will show you how. So, in our main function, we have some lines with some heavy lifting. In our example, our program just sleeps for the given amount of time, here 2 seconds. If we want to track the time this heavy lifting function took, we can write a nifty little function for that. We name our function timer and we will return another function. Inside, we define our starting point and return a new anonymous function which only will print out the time spent. Give it a nice little format. With a tracking function in our pocket, we can call it at the beginning where our long-running work is made. But look at the difference. We not just want to execute our timer function, but call the returned anonymous function too. And now we put this little magic word defer at the beginning of our function call. And that's it. You can see that our program is now printing out the amount of time our function took. Why is that working? This is easy. The defer keyword schedules the called function at the end of the parent function and will be executed after the parent function finished. So the regular call sets the starting point, and the deferred call of our inner function will then print out the time span after everything is completed. So if you like the video, just give me a warm thumbs up, and if not, just turn it around, it's totally fine. And oh, here, maybe you take a look at this.